Sit up straight.
Real straight.
Close your eyes. Relax.
Yeah, sit back.
Crispy it is. And so how about we get into that crispy beat mood with a smooth, good to go feeling? Right here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on. How about we slide right in on this here beat? Invite a little light in like heat. After the open eyes compete with the senseless senses, you know. Like after the beta storm faded and you became warmed into, I've abated into my playlist. Like I cradle bliss impregnated with the seeds of, I just can't miss. Now repeat after me. I'm a master MC. Cause I've asked and I'm already a master MC. That's right. You've got to already know. You could do anything. Anything at all. You just have to put your mind to it. And so let's get into that crispy beat mood with a smooth, good to go feeling. Right here. Let's do this. Let's do this. Come on now. Now watch me shake and bake like I'm breaking eggs over fertile grounds with my over-the-hurdle sounds. I call in, cause I'm ballin' with some high-vibin frequencies. Cause it's rhyme time, and I'm speaking ease as I breathe to breed my ability to catch a flow. That's right. So repeat after me. I'm a master MC. Cause I've asked, and I'm already a master MC. That's right. You've got to already know. You could do anything. Anything at all.
Just bring it in.
You just have to put your mind to it. And so let's get into that crispy beat mood with a smooth, good to go feeling.
Let's get into that.
Right here. Let's do this. Let's do this. So now it's time to usher in extreme and super supreme Krispy Kreme type of dreams on the stream from the most groovy of minds. Cause I can move me from the deep end grind to I'm deep in to my inner guidance. Like I'm pinned to Poseidon. And I can ride the wave like I prayed and I stayed. Now repeat after me. I'm a master MC.
You already know.
Cause I've asked and I'm already a master MC.
Any other way?
You've got to already know. You can do anything. Anything at all.
That's right.
You just have to put your mind to it. That's right. And so let's get into that crispy beat mood with a smooth, good to go feeling. Right here. Let's do this. Let's wrap this up. Cause now it's time to bring it together with a ring-a-ding. I'm tethered to the proper timeline. Cause I could pop a rhyme like I squeeze a lime. And I'm getting frisky with the whiskey. Cause I wished me a new paradigm where I'm a parrot to the mind of the greatest of all time. Anyone who ever rhymed, I've got them on the line.
Yes, I do.
That's right. That's already a reality. Master MC. If you believe.
That's me.
Master MC.